Hi out there, and welcome back to episode 8 of my GPZ600 rebuild. Now, episode 8, what have I got in store for you today? Well, I've decided to do something really special. It's the carburetors. In my Facebook group, I do see a lot of people explaining that they have problems with getting the carbs in. I understand this, there's not much space, and the biggest problem, it comes down to the carburetor rubber boots. Let me just dig one out for you. The carb boots. Now, if these things are not soft like this one is, normally they're like wood, like really hard. Now, being hard isn't the problem, but once they've got old, then they shrink. So they actually shrink in length, and once these have shrunken and gone hard, it's almost impossible to get your carbs on. But the thing is these are expensive, right? They cost €100 or about $100 or £100 for a set of 4. And people are shy to spend that. I can understand, especially if they've only paid a couple of $100 for the whole bike. But trust me, if these are hard, then you're not going to get your carbs on. So I thought today, episode 8, this one's coming up. We're getting ready for the carb installation. Everyone will be wanting to see this. So got everything ready, have my carbs ready, the tools ready, the bike ready to go. I'm feeling almost fit. And then what happened? I forgot to press the record button. Or I didn't press it properly, or something went wrong with my camera, or some things happened. At the end of the day, I don't have any video footage of me fitting my carbs. And here they are, fitted to the bike already. I'm really sorry about that, guys. You are not going to see me fit the carbs today. And I'm not taking them out to reinstall them just to show you. Although I've got soft rubbers, I didn't have a problem getting them in, but I don't want to have to reinstall them again. Ha! I might have to, actually. I've just realised I fitted my carbs and haven't got the cables fitted. Oh dear. Cut. So after I was just about to jump off a bridge because I thought that I wouldn't get my cables on after I've just installed the carbs, I've discovered, yes, you can. You have 3 cables, these 2 together on the carbs, this one on its own. This one is the choke cable, and then you have an opener. This rear one is the opener, the front one is the closer. They just go to nowhere at the moment because I don't have the throttle gear attached. So I've just laid them in so that they're attached. And the trick is to do the opener, the rear one, first by pushing the butterfly throttle down, and you can get to the hole at the back, hook it in, goes in really quickly, and then do the front one, and that's that. So what I'll do up here now is fit the thermostat hosing and the thermostat housing, the U-pipe, so I'll have a little bit of the cooling system. I can't put the radiator on just yet because to get the radiator on I need the exhaust pipe on, and I can't put the exhaust pipe on because I can't get my horns on because I've got 2 horns on order.
Let me